So this bubbling controversy between Jamaica College and the Intersecondary School Sports Association, ISSA, over the governing body's refusal to grant Jamaica College discretionary leniency with the late arrival of 2 track athletes coming over from Africa to represent JC at champs. Now, on the face of it, Jamaica College has a strong case set by the same ISSA, which granted leniency to Kingston College in their near identical case of Harry Rogers back in 2016. And that is the problem with discretionary decisions. As long as they are not consistent, then trouble can be there. But more information is emerging though, where there are other considerations by ISSA, indeed suspicions by ISSA, read the timing and the convenience of the birth date and registration dates of the athletes involved. And remember now, we're not fighting against the motherland, but we all know the reputation of the Africans when it comes to birth and age registrations.